We are heading to the State House. There is a new law aiming to give renters a second chance by clearing old eviction records that could follow you really forever. News 19's Josie Frost joining us now from the State House. She's breaking down this law and what experts say it could mean for tenants.
Old eviction records can follow someone for years, even if that case was resolved. But this new law would clear those records after 7 years. Anytime a landlord puts in an eviction filing, even if they don't plan to evict that tenant or the tenant settles the filing in court, that stays on their record forever. Years later, those tenants might still be struggling to find a place to live, according to Sue Berkowitz with the South Carolina Appleseed Legal Justice Center.
Things may have gotten worked out and the eviction was never followed through with. And so what ends up happening, though, is it's still on your record. And once it's on your record, it can be detrimental.
But under the new law, any eviction filing that's more than 7 years old will be removed from public records. Landlords could still see any recent or ongoing filings. Meredith O., who's a property manager with JR Consolidated, says that just because someone has an old eviction filing doesn't mean they're a bad tenant.
I've had hundreds and hundreds of conversations with tenants that have come to me that, they lost their job or their kid was sick and they got their hours cut. A very isolated incident caused them to have a one-time eviction. And because of that, it is staying with them permanently.
Now, this law will go into effect starting in January, giving courts and landlords time to adjust. Reporting at the State House, Josie Frost, News 19, WLTX.